Okay, so this is Check Palindrome and it's in Python 3. Given a string, check if it's a palindrome. So first of all, we want to do our indentation and then we want to do return. And I'm just going to explain what I'm doing here. I was taking a JavaScript approach, completely incorrect. And after a bit of testing and figuring things out, I'm just going to try and explain what I'm doing here. So first of all, you want to do input string and then you want to put some square brackets on the end. You put a colon, and then we'll just run this test. I've just done a custom one. It's ABC all the way through to G, and that's just going to return us just the input string. Now, if we was going to put 3 here before after the first colon, what we're going to get is ABC. So we're going to get the first 3 characters of our string. Same again, if we do 5, we're going to get the first 5 characters of the string. Now, if we was going to put, say, -5, it's going to take away the last 5 characters of the string. So we're going to be left with AB because we've taken away C. We've taken away C through to G, the last 5. So if we do, say, let's just do -2. And then we've knocked off G and F. So cool. Now, next up, if we was to put another colon and then put a number 2 here, what the number after the second colon means is how many steps do we want to take. So if we were going to put 1, we're going to be just returning the whole string because we're taking 1 step at a time. Now, if we put 2, we're going to be taking 2 steps. So we're going to get A, miss B, we're going to get C, we're going to miss D, we're going to get E, miss F, and then we're going to hit G because we're doing 2-step intervals. Same again, if you do 3, it's going to be 3-step intervals. So 1, going to miss B and C, and then we're going to hit D, so we're going to get D, miss E and F, and then we're going to get G. Now, if we was going to put, say, the number 5 in here, and we're going to do a 2-step intervals, what we're going to get is the first 5 at 2-step intervals. So we're going to hit A, 2-step intervals. So A, miss B, C, miss D, E, miss F and G, because we want the first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're just going to do the 2 steps between the first 5. If we put -5, we're just going to get A. And that's because we're taking away the first 5 here. So we've got A, we're missing B. Well, actually, we took the last out. So let's say if we're going to do -3. In theory, we're taking away the last 3 characters. So then we're going to hit A, we're going to hit C, and then that's it. So we should get A and C here. Awesome. So what if we put a -2 after the second colon? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually count backwards. So we're going to get we're going to get C. We're going to get G, we're going to miss F, we're going to hit E, miss D, we're going to get C, miss B, and then we're going to get A. So we're potentially reversing that string, and then we're making 2-step intervals. So if we go back to what a palindrome is, AA, B, AA. If we reverse this, then our output is going to be AA, B, AA. If we have AA, B, C, C, and we reverse this, the output is actually going to be C, C, B, A, A. So we want to keep all of our characters, so we just want to do -1. if I run that test, we've reversed our string, and now all what's left to do is, because we've got our reverse, which is potentially this one here and that one there, we need to compare it to the original. So if we do input string is equal to input string square brackets and then colon colon -1. I don't know how to read that. If I'm honest, I'm so new to this, but it's awesome. And then that's our custom tests passed. So now if we run the tests, we've passed all of them. So we've got our original input string, and then what we're doing is we're comparing it and saying, hey, is this input string equal to the input string which we've just reversed? We submit. Okay, if we submit, should be correct. Awesome. So yeah, this is the final solution for Check Palindrome in Python 3.